Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Sheikh Wasim sir, an assistant teacher of Al Mahmoud International School, Nakuna. How are you, students? Hope you are well. So, dear students, in previous videos we have been learning lesson number 7, Dr. Nath. What is the name of the lesson? Dr. Nath. Okay. Who is Dr. Nath? Dr. Nath is tree doctor. Okay. So, dear students, hope you understood and read the lesson. Did you read it? Very good. The students who read the lesson and the students who did not read, they will read today. Okay. So, dear students, in this story we learn about a tree. Okay. Yes. See, in last video we understood page number 62. Now today we will understand ahead of it. Okay. So we learned that there was a village. Okay. In this village there was a tree which name was tamarind. What was the name of the tree? Tamarind. Okay. Tamarind means, what is the spelling of tamarind? T-A-M-A, tam, R-I-N-D, rind, tamarind. Okay. Tamarind means imli. Okay. So there was a tree in the center of the village. Where was the tree? In the village? In the center means beach me. Okay. So we learned that when in the village tree fell ill, the villagers called to doctor. Yes, whom do the villagers call to? Doctor. Okay, and doctor treat it. Got it? So like this, once upon a time there was a tree which was in the center of the village, and it became ill, sick, sick, sick means बीमार हो गया. Okay, and they call Dr. Nath. Dr. Nath takes his little bag and gets on his bicycle. So Dr. Nath takes his little bag and gets on his bicycle and goes over to look at the tree. Okay, then after reaching the tree, Dr. Nath, after reaching near the tree, Dr. Nath says to the tree, well, what does he say? Well, means good. My fine fellow, what's wrong with you? Means what's wrong with you? We understood that Dr. Nath asked to the tree. Okay, asked to the tree. So tree has a pain and problem. So how does the tree show its pain? We learned that the tree waves its branches and make noise, creak. Okay, what do you mean by creak? The tree shows its pain by creaking. Creaking means make noise, like the noise that doors something make when they are open. At the time of opening the door, the sound comes, that's called creak. Okay, see, so we understood that. So the tree showing its pain by creaking. Okay, and a yellow leaf falls down. Why? Because tree doesn't have tongue, therefore it's creaking. Okay, a yellow leaf fall down. Dr. Nath look at the roots. Dr. Nath look at the roots of the tree. He looks at the branches. Here Dr. Nath is finding what's problem of the tree. Therefore he is looking at the roots and branches. He looks at the trunk of the tree. So here you can see in the trunk, this part of the tree, it's called trunk. Okay, This part of the tree is called trunk, and this is okay. So he found he he found he found he looks at the trunk of the tree. Then he found there is a hole in the trunk. Okay, there is a hole in the trunk. What was the Where was the hole? Yes, where was the hole? Yes, this is trunk. The hole, he finds a hole in the trunk. Okay, he looks inside it. So inside the hole he looks, mean he sees. Okay, then after seeing, yes, after seeing he failed. Aha, he says aha. Aha means he shocking. He became shocking. So ताज्जुब हुआ. He says, I know what's wrong with. I know what's wrong. Then after he says, I know means no means जानना. मैं जानता हूँ कि क्या problem है. What's the problem with its? Okay, what's the problem with the tamarind tree? He puts his hand into the hole. Okay, he puts his hand. Puts mean to keep, रखना. Okay, he puts his hand into the hole. उसने होल के पास अपना हाथ रखा, अंदर डाला, और he pulls means खींचना. He pulls out a big fat worm. He pulls out a big fat worm. Okay, worm means yes, WORM, worm, a long thin creature, लंबी और पतली क्रिएचर मीन यस मखलूक, जिसे हम मखलूक कहते हैं, जानदार कीड़ा. दैट यू समटाइम्स फाइंड इनसाइड फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स. फ्रूट और वेजिटेबल में जो पाए जाते हैं, जिसे हम इल्लियाँ कहते हैं. ओके, पतली लॉन्ग थिन क्रिएचर. Okay, got it. So he pulls out. So what was? He pulls out a big fat worm. What does Dr. Nath pull? Yes, Dr. Nath pulls a big fat worm. How was the worm? Worm कैसा था? Worm, yes, the worm is big in बड़ा. Fat means मोटा. Okay, the worm is big and fat. Got it? Where was the worm? Inside the hole. Okay, got it. And where was the hole? Yes, in the trunk. The hole is in the trunk. Then see what happened. He pulls out a big fat. He says this worm was eating the heart of the tree. Okay, this worm was eating the heart of the tree. Yes, the worm. What was worm eating? What was worm eating? Say, what was worm eating? Yes, the worm was eating the heart of the tree. Heart means dil. Okay, the heart of the tree. That's why it was sick. और यही वजह थी कि वो बीमार था. Why was the worm sick? Because there was a worm inside the trunk and it was eating the heart of the tree. Got it? Very good. Then after, now it's going to get better. So after that, Dr. Nath, here you can see Dr. Nath take out the worm inside the trunk of the tree. Okay, Dr. Nath takes out the worm inside the trunk, and he said, now it's going to get better, means he will soon get better and be healthy. Okay, so in this way, then Dr. Nath, then the villagers say thank means शुक्रिया अदा करना है. Okay, gratitude. Okay, thank you doctor, say the villagers. Thank you doctor, say the birds. Live in the tree. Where do the birds live? In the tree. Okay, in the tree. Who thanked Dr. Nath? Yes, got it. Did you understand? Who thanked Dr. Nath? Give answer. Who thanked Dr. Nath? Yes, villagers and birds. Got it? Villagers and birds thanked डॉक्टर नाथ. उन्होंने डॉक्टर नाथ का शुक्रिया अदा किया. इन दिस वे वी लर्न दैट इफ वी आर हेल्प अस, if someone helps, if someone helps us, then we should say thank him. Okay, got it? Here villagers and birds are thanking him. Okay, and tree also get good health, so it's also showing thank. Okay, he also, it is also showing gratitude to Dr. Nath. So how it's showing? The tamarind tree is showing gratitude. So how the tamarind tree was waves. Waves means lahrana. Okay, its branches, the branches. Okay, the tamarind tree was, the tamarind tree waves, waves, waves means move up and down. Okay, and left or right, lahrana its branches. So the tamarind tree is showing gratitude to Dr. Nath by waving its branches. उसने अपनी branches को लहराते हुए डॉक्टर नाथ का शुक्रिया अदा किया. Yes, why was the tree thanking Dr. Nath? Because Dr. Nath, yes, pulled out the worm inside the trunk which was eating the heart of the tree. Therefore the tree was thanking him. Okay, got it? The air, yes, in the air as the doctor rides away. Yes, when does the tamarind tree waves its branches? Yes, when does the tamarind tree waves its branches? Yes, when the doctor rides away. When the doctor rides away, rides means सफ़र करना, ट्रैवल. जब डॉक्टर नाथ दूर चले गए तो ट्री ने अपनी ब्रांचेस को हिलाते हुए डॉक्टर नाथ का शुक्रिया अदा किया. गॉट इट? होप यू वुड अंडरस्टूड. इन दिस वे वी अंडरस्टूड दैट we should take care about trees, and we should understood ourselves that we are responsible for environment. Therefore we take care about trees. Okay, got it? Like the villagers. So dear students, you have to read this lesson 3 times and comprehensively. समझते हुए पढ़ना है. Okay, and then you have to learn by heart these meanings. Okay, 4 meanings, these 4 meanings, and copy in book number 1.